When starting drone photography, you'll find a lot of tutorials that tell you to take your camera off of the automatic adjustment settings. This can be helpful eventually, but in the beginning, it can put you in this weird place where you want to be able to give people something that looks really nice, but you don't want to learn everything there is about a camera before you do so. So automatic settings can be helpful if what you're looking at looks good to your natural eye. Automatic settings do the nitty-gritty of editing to give you a base look that is already pretty cinematic. Manual editing can put you in this place where if you're using manual settings, you upload it to your editor, and unless you know a lot about editing and how to get the contrast of shadows and highlights and mid-range, it's always going to look a little off to you. At least that's my experience. So automatic settings can be good in a normal plain shot where the sun is already creating nice shadows, already looks good. Automatic will capture the moment as you're seeing it. Manual can be good then if your surroundings will need to be edited a lot. Say you know you need to adjust the contrast or the lighting or the hue to make it look more cinematic. Manual settings will give you a clean base that then you can edit and change to your liking from there. It can also be helpful to use manual settings when you will be changing between two white balances or exposures. Say if you're going between direct sunlight and clouds, automatic can split the video, and some parts of your video will have warm hues, some parts will have cool tones. So the manual keeps it even throughout the whole video, and then, like I said, you can change it as you please after that. I'm going to show you an example now of two videos that I did, one with manual settings and one with automatic settings, and explain to you a little bit of why I like the automatic settings in this situation.
For my first example, I'd like to use this shot I took in North Carolina. I took this video using manual settings. To my natural eye, all the colors popped, but with my limited editing and manual camera experience, the colors look faded in this final product. Nothing is captivating. This clip is the final product after some heavy editing. I actually had to stop editing because it started to look really sloppy. Let's contrast that with this shot that I took from the local golf course. So these shots were taken using automatic adjustment settings. And these shots required little to no editing at all. So as you can see, no information was lost in the shadows. No information was washed out in the highlights. The sunbeams in the corner there were captured nicely. It's warm. I did, however, edit this green because it was winter, so I upped the green saturation in the grass. But overall, this is what it looked like to my natural eye. Although manual settings can be helpful in certain situations when you know you'll have lighting issues, automatic settings can carry you really far to be able to give people a captivating, pleasing look without first needing to learn everything about manual cameras.